Welcome to the Kenyan Show, the only show that features the most amazing and unique things in Kenya. Today, on our wildlife segment, we'll be looking at some of the endangered species in Kenya that are rarely thought to be at risk. The striped hyena. It is a native hyena species that can be identified by the stripes in their fur, as the name suggests. They are mostly solitary scavengers but can be found once in a while as a group. They inhabit areas with open bush, typically in semi-arid and rocky regions. Being scavengers, their main diet usually consists of carcasses left behind by the superior predators such as the lion. The striped hyena are actually smaller compared to their counterparts, the spotted hyena, which is the most common type of hyena known all over the world. The striped hyena also are the national animal for Lebanon. In case you're wondering why you've never come across them in your safari, it is because they are shy creatures, making them very rare to see. They are found in parts of North and East Africa, Middle East, and Central Asia. There are about 5,000 to 14,000 left worldwide. They have mostly suffered persecution from humans as they built up a reputation of killing children and livestock. Habitat loss has also contributed to their decline, and poachers due to the fact that their body parts are used in medicine. The gravy zebra. Unlike their counterparts, the plain zebra, you can identify them by their different stripe pattern and their horse-built-like nature. Even though some people compare them to donkeys, they actually belong to the horse family but are more closely related to the ass. The name gravy came from the president of the Third Republic regime of France, known as Jules Gravy, in 1882. Like most preys, the gravy zebra have a binocular vision, meaning they can perceive a single three-dimensional image, enabling them to spot predators from far away. They are also diurnal, which means they are mostly active during the day. The males are solitary, while females and calves graze in temporary herds until the calves are of age to go out on their own. The gravy zebra are in fact territorial and hence mark their territories with dung piles. They also have a top speed of 64 kilometers per hour. The gravy zebra are in fact the world's rarest zebra and are mostly threatened by harsh competition for food with other animals and also livestock. Not forgetting large-scale hunting by poachers due to their wonderful and colorful coat. The reticulated giraffe. This particular giraffe is so rare that it is only found in 3 countries: Kenya, Somalia, and Ethiopia. Unlike the gravy zebra, which were diurnal, the reticulated giraffe are active both during the day and night, spending about roughly 13 hours feeding. They are seen in groups of 3 to 9. Being herbivorous, they feed mainly on leaves, shoots, and shrubs. Despite their tall nature, they have a top speed of 48 kilometers per hour. The reticulated giraffe has a lifespan of about 25 years only. There are about 15,785 of them left worldwide. The main threats to them are habitat loss, habitat fragmentation, and of course, poaching due to their unique coat. The reticulated giraffe is just an amazing and beautiful creature to look at. The roan antelope. It is a savanna antelope and one of the largest species of antelope. The name roan came about from its reddish brown fur. Apart from the color of the fur, you can identify them by their ringed horns, which can reach up to 1 meter. Just like the gravy zebra, the roan antelope are also horse-like built. This particular animal is described to be gregarious, meaning they are very fond of company. So much that they form harem groups of 5 to 15 females with a single dominant male. The roan antelope mainly feeds on grass, but will also eat leaves, shoots, and twigs. They have a top speed of 56 km per hour and a lifespan of 15 to 17 years. This particular species was first described 200 years ago. There are about 76,000 roan antelopes left worldwide. The main cause of declination being habitat loss. The black rhinoceros. They are very ancient animals. People mostly know of the white rhino being critically endangered, but the black rhino is equally in trouble. There are actually 5 species of rhinoceros: the Java, the black, the white, the windhound, and the Sumatran. Despite what people think, the name black and white rhinoceros doesn't come from the color of their skin, but it's actually the shape of their lip. The white rhino has a wide square lip and the black rhino has a pointy upper lip. The black rhinoceros are solitary. Males live alone while the females form small groups together with their young. Their main diet consists of leafy plants, branches, shoots, and thorny wood bushes. They can reach up to a speed of 55 kilometers per hour. They also have a lifespan of 30 to 50 years. The black rhinoceros are actually very curious in nature and will approach anything unfamiliar to them, from vehicles to human beings. There are about 5,000 left, their biggest cause of decline being poaching. The hartebeest. It is an African antelope with an elongated forehead and oddly shaped horns. It has long legs, a short neck, and pointed ears. The ear coat varies in color according to the subspecies. The hartebeest are very cautious animals with highly developed brains. The hartebeest are calm in nature but can be ferocious when provoked. They are also very territorial. Their main diet consists mostly of grass. In areas with scarce water, they can survive on melons, roots, and tubers which have plenty of water in them. Currently, the hartebeest are estimated to be around 362,000 in the world and 3,500 in Kenya specifically. Their main cause of decline being poaching and hunting, since the hartebeest are considered a fun animal in gaming. Well, that is all I have for you today. This has been the Kenyan Show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and wait for our next segment. We'll be featuring other unique and amazing things in Kenya.